Today we are discuss about the solid modeling and additive manufacturing process of practical number 3. Draw 3D geometry using 3D modeling command. Practical significance is that to create a solid modeling of any mechanical component, to learn different sketching and modeling command. Okay. Course outcome is that generate 3D model from 2D sketch using part workbench of any parametric solid modeling software. Practical outcome is that operate available modeling software to draw 3D model of any engineering product. Okay, this is a 3D sketch we are draw in CATIA. Okay, CATIA means computer aided three-dimensional integrated application. Now we will see how to draw it in CATIA software. Now we will see how to draw in 3D drawing. Okay, first start mechanical, then part design. In that select the part. Okay, then select a plane where to draw. Okay, then select a sketcher workbench. In that first we have to draw a base of this drawing. Okay, then go to rectangle. In that there is a one command, that is a center rectangle. Select it and draw a center rectangle. Okay, then give to constraint of this distance having 50 mm and this is having a distance of 90 mm. Okay, then there is a one part is cut here to draw this. Okay, you have to draw in also 3D modeling also and 2D also. Okay, then give constraint of this. This is having a distance of 20 mm. Okay, and this is having a distance of 30 mm. Okay, then go to cut this section. Okay, this is the trim command and cut this portion. Okay, then go for when you are drawing to 3D drawing. When you draw in 2D, then go to 3D. There is a one command. This is the exit workbench. Okay, in that this is the option for adding a material. Okay, 3D part you have to draw. There is a adding material. Okay, some material is add there. Okay, this having a dimension of 10 mm. Okay, this is your base. In that next there is a in that portion there is some portion is there. When you have to draw, then select which portion you have to draw. Okay, select and then go to sketch command, fit in all. Then you have to fix. This is a normal view for project 3D element. In that you have to fix the line. This is a yellow line for fix the line. Okay, then go to rectangle and draw a portion. Okay, this is having a dimension of 50 mm and the height is 40 mm. Okay, then go to exit workbench and add the material. Okay, when this object will open, there is a one black point is there. So you have to go in again sketcher. Okay, see where the point will be open. Okay, then again go to exit workbench and add the material. Okay, this is having backward direction, so you have to reverse the direction. This is the command for reverse direction. Okay, and this is having a dimension of 20 mm. You okay, okay, then there is a one part to be trimmed and there is a one part to be draw here. Okay, so select this part and draw a portion, fit in all. Okay, then fix this diagram. When you draw a part of the 3D diagram, you have to fix the line. Okay, then draw part here. Okay, this part having a dimension of 40 by 20. Okay, then go to exit workbench and okay, there is a one point is here. This will trim in our sketcher command. Okay, this will cut this portion and this also cut. Okay, then go to exit workbench and add a material. Okay, this is having in also in reverse direction. Okay, this is having a distance of 20 mm. Okay, reverse direction. One part is remaining here. In this portion, there is a one cut. Okay, portion will cut. Okay, so select this portion and go to sketcher. Okay, fit in all and then fix this line and draw portion which will cut. Okay, give constraint for that. This is having a distance 20 mm and this having a distance of 20 mm. Okay, then cut this portion or delete this line. Okay, and then go to exit workbench. Okay, in that there is a one command. This is a command used for to cut the portion. Okay, pocket. See how it will cut. Okay, see in preview. Then okay, this is your third practical diagram of solid modeling. Okay, see, thank you.